How to change password on Microsoft Outlook. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So open your browser and then search for outlook.live.com. Log into your account and then go to this menu bar. After that, go to settings. Now go to account and here you will see an option change password. Simply tap on it. After that, it will lead you to this page. Now all you have to do is enter your current password and then sign in. After signing in, you will get a new blank space to enter your new password and confirm it. But if you forgot your password, simply tap on forgot password and then it will send a code to your phone number or a new email account that you have linked it with. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.